Saif Ali Khan. Can we make some more noise? Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Or should I call you Bhera? Bhera, welcome.
I remember my first shot speaking Telugu, and I had a bit of sweat running down my back, and I felt very nervous in a very, very different way. I mean, we come from the same country, but sometimes our states are really like different to one another. And going down there was a very exciting experience. I was very kind of Tariq, of NTRG, and for Shivaji to want me in the movie, because movies made in the South recently have been mind-blowing. And to get a chance to act in a film like this and to do that. For me, you're right, I felt like a newcomer. I'm really excited because I've spoken the language. It was a new language for me. And I love the movie and I love what I've done in it also. So I am excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that. We'll definitely take a look at Bhera glimpse in some time. But before that, thank you so much, sir. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, Saif Ali Khan. ये हम करने वाले. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome on stage the leading lady of Devara Part 1. I know it's going to be very emotional for Karan sir. Of course, you know, it was her debut a couple years back, and now she's all set for her Telugu debut. Ladies and gentlemen, gorgeousness. I don't know. I'll just fall short of adjectives. Give it up for Janhvi Kapoor. Welcome and thank you so much for being here. I know you have this very busy schedule. Uske bawajood, hats off to you that you are here and you're traveling right after that.
In exactly 28 minutes. Pehle to hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. ये मेरी डेब्यू फिल्म है और ऑनेस्टली ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरी घर वापसी भी है क्योंकि मेरी फर्स्ट तेलुगु फिल्म है. So it's very, very, very special to me. So thank you so much for showing up with so much enthusiasm.
Right. And जो response अभी मिला है यहाँ पे, of course, जो units को response मिला है, उसके बारे में what do you have to say? People are like, this is the Jodi, NTR Junior and Janhvi Kapoor. We want to see them in every single movie. This is what people are saying.
Even I want to do every single movie with Tarak sir only. I had so much fun. I learned so much, and I think everyone knows what a big fan of him I've always been, and I think I've become a bigger fan of him after having worked with him.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much for sharing that. Janhvi, please seat lijiye aap bhi, please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been waiting for, he is phenomenal. Isse pehle bhi, when he was in Mumbai, we had a masses NTR Junior. You know, while we were doing this for RRR, they taught me that we have to say Jai NTR and, of course, the biggest mass hero of our country, NTR Junior. One more time, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Welcome. you know, this man of masses, of course, you've always कहते हैं ना खरे उतरे हैं आप इसके ऊपर हर बार. Recently, you promised something to your fans that after watching the trailer, they'll be really proud of you. अब इस वक्त कैसा लग रहा है? What do you have to say to
जी
that?
बहुत नर्वस हूँ मैं पहले. To start with, बहुत नर्वस हूँ मैं because after RRR, this is my next film post RRR. और वैसे भी RRR was with my co-actor also, Mr. Ram Charan. This is my solo release after 6 years. So there is a lot of nervousness which is building up. But I'm very happy to launch the trailer of Devara in the city of Mumbai. Because the experience we've had when we were promoting for RRR was just surreal. I mean, the acceptance of North has just shocked us all, and I hope it repeats with Devara.
I'm sure it's going to happen this time again. Just one last thing, Tarak Bhai. You know, you have to talk to us about, you know, we know that your contemporaries, they've broken a lot of records. You know, every now and then we say, sales record itna bana, itne tickets bike. But here, nobody has seen the trailer up tak. Nobody has seen it, but in North America, you are already breaking records. 1 million se upar ke pre-sales. Exactly. For the premiere. Again, I have to reiterate that nobody has seen the trailer, and you're already, you know, the tickets are just going off the shelf. And how? What do you have to say? How do you do it?
I mean, there's nothing we've done anything about it, but I think it's God's blessings and the love which has always been showered by the fans and the audience. So I'm always indebted.
You are fabulous. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
this.
much.
And of course, looking forward to the trailer. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, NTR Junior, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Okay, so I have a couple of questions for you that I want to present to the world. Devara Part 1.
It was nothing. He had me at hello. That's just the way. I mean, Tarak calls and you do what he wants. It's just the way it is. And, you know, we, not just a fan as an actor, but so much respect for his trajectory, so much respect for Seva sir and, you know, everything that he has achieved in cinema. The combination of the both of them coming together. They've made one blockbuster together, and this is heading towards being a mega blockbuster. The fact that Saif was in the film, Janvi, I mean, it was like for us at Dharma Productions and AA Films, it was really an absolute no-brainer to have our names associated with this magnificent piece of cinema that you just witnessed.
You know, we have to say that this trio, of course, Apurva sir, Anil sir, and you should and you are getting the credit for, you know, introducing us to this pan-Indian thing. Of course, we've had movies earlier, but Bahubali ke baad it all started. What do you think is that one thing or the one USP of Devara that it's going to appeal to all the people globally?
Well, you've had all the magic and madness on land, but have you seen it on sea? It's a first. I mean, when you see what they call like the blood sea, and you see all the action that happens, you know, on the water and the way, like there are sequences that are just, sometimes you feel that you have a wild imagination and those can never really be fructified. But this has, like, you know, Seva sir had that imagination and then it was absolutely like executed to precision. So I think the big USP, I would say, is just the landscape of the film. The fact that water is such a star as well, and everything that happens in and around that arena really makes Devara like a standout film and clutter breaks every other massive dramatic action film you've seen in Indian cinema.
Absolutely, sir. We'll get to see this on the 27th, and we can't wait to watch it now. Shiva, sir, welcome to Mumbai.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be here, first of all, and of course, the amazing response that we've just gotten?
Firstly, thank you everyone for being here. And a little bit tense, like this is my debut film. And I hope everyone likes the film as much as we like. Thank you.
Sir, despite being this larger-than-life superstar, what do you think is that one quality that makes this gentleman here, Tarak sir, the man of masses, so humble? How come he's so humble, you know, despite all that stardom, that persona?
Even I'm trying to find out actually.
So directing him, directing him yet again after Janta Garage. Talk to us about that. Could changes I, sir? You have to give us some masala. You have to give us something.
It's because, he's a very close friend of mine, and once he's in front of the camera, I feel that, I don't know why, suddenly he changes his persona, and he looks wild, actually. And every time, for every shot, I just keep staring at him.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So after watching Dawoodi, I had a title or a tag for the gorgeous and the very talented Janvi Kapoor. Of course, I sat on it for quite some time and she had to leave. She had a flight to catch. But of course, the expression queen of the Indian film industry. You've brought that out, from Janvi. And her chemistry with this gentleman, Tarak Bhai here, it is phenomenal. People are saying, Jodiyan Karan sir banate the. Abhi, you've taken it to some other level. What do you have to say, sir?
Yeah, because they look too good on screen, and down south, people feel that after NTR sir and Sridevi, now it's this NTR and Janvi.
Wow, you said it, sir. You said it. And Bhaira, we have to talk about Bhaira, sir. As I said, the handsome, the ever so charming Saif Ali Khan, the brilliant actor. And here he's so ruthless, sir. Why would you do that to this man here?
No, even for the first time, I'm seeing him like this because I never saw him like this in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Because he comes to the shot, I see only Bhaira, and now he's looking like a rock star. He's something new to me now.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. And thank you so much for this amazing piece of art, Shiva, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Honored. Thank
Saif, sir, this one's for you. You portrayed these dark and complex characters earlier, and as I said, everything that we've seen from you on that big screen has been awesomeness. Here, how is Bhaira different, or should I say, what were those distinct qualities or the unqualities in Bhaira that you said, yes, I want to do this?
Well, firstly, I was really excited, like I said, to get offered a big movie made, from Andhra and from the South industry that's given us so many incredible movies. And I think the future is going to be collaborations between North and South. And I think of it in terms of like you say, a pan-Indian kind of scenario. Yeah. Anyway, this role, I was very happy that Tariq ji wanted me in it. And Shivasa wanted me in it. I think they'd seen Omkara and remembered it, and I have to thank Vishalji for that still. Right. It was a very interesting character because, there's a young version, there's an older version, there's crazy makeup, and also I wouldn't, it's more of an anti-hero than a straight antagonist, and there's many layers to it, and it was just absolutely lovely doing it. Right. It's like an entry, a debut into a new kind of cinema, right. And, according to me, the cutting edge of Indian cinema right now. So it's great for me to be here.
Well, he said it, ladies and gentlemen, he said it. Talking about the man of masses, of course, the world is talking about him. Aur ab se nahi, kab se. So how was it collaborating with him?
It was amazing. I mean, we met and we had a laugh from day one. He's a very easygoing person who wears his stardom lightly, which I like. And offset, a very, very friendly, welcoming person. We had a laugh from the first day, and he visited me in my van while I was waiting for a shot and made me feel so comfortable. Right. And we had a lovely laugh. He's invited me to his home and offered to cook food, and he's one of the most hospitable people I've worked with, a really, really nice, down-to-earth guy. But when the camera's on and when I saw him shooting on the set, he seems to grow in stature in front of the camera and becomes a larger-than-life person, which is a very great star quality to have. And when it's cut, he's back to being a normal, fun person. So I think he's been great, and it's been so nice working with him. He was also very patient because it's a new language for me. Right. And he was so supportive. Looking into his eyes and saying dialogues to him never made me feel anything except confident. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the very versatile Saif Ali Khan Sahab. We have to say that. Thank you so much. We've seen Neela Samandar in Dawoodi, or usse pehle bhi. Then we've seen Khooni Samandar. And everything Devara Part 1 is all about is between these two things, right? It's like you've covered the entire spectrum. What is Devara for you, and what is happening here? Tell us.
Devra for me, obviously, it's not only a film, but it's a journey with Koratal Shiva for many years. I mean, we've known each other since this movie of mine called Brindavanam. And Shiva was the writer for the movie, and it was this growth of friendship between me and him. And then when he started off as a filmmaker, my interest towards him, my respect towards him, has only increased with every film he's done. But I mean, it was very tough for him to sustain that kind of blockbusters which he's delivered.
Right.
It's only because Shiva has nothing in mind but the story of the film. It keeps running in his head. He just needs the right space. He just needs the right people around him to just excel in it. And when our journey started, right before RRR released, so he came up with this idea of this protagonist. Usually in commercial mainstream movie, we have a protagonist coming from the downtrodden. When there's absolute zero courage, the protagonist comes forward, gives courage to the people who needs courage, takes them and goes forward. But here there's a flip to Devra. So when courage is completely, when it's filled to the brim, when it exceeds, there needs to be a certain amount of fear. And the protagonist is actually trying to give in fear than actually give in courage. So that for me, was a phenomenal idea. And then we started our journey of Devra. And here, I hope we've lived up to the expectations of the trailer. And that's about it.
Whatever we've seen up till now is phenomenal, right? As I said, we are like full of that intensity, that angst. It's in all of us. Talk to us about these action sequences.
Devra is, I've been, when Karan sir and Apurva sir and Anil sir, the three mascots of Devra, the three musketeers as well, when they stepped in, Shiva, when he narrated the script to them, and when they saw a few visuals of the movie, I was really shocked seeing their reactions. And that's when I came to know that, this movie will definitely work. This movie is, I would call it an action drama. It is extremely high on action. Right. Saif sir would definitely agree with me. There was some physically strenuous action sequence we both have been part of. Right. It is definitely high on action. Peter Hines, then we had Anil Arasu, and then especially we had Solomon, who's worked for RRR as well, the National Award winner. He has actually extensively worked on the overwater and the underwater sequences of Devra. And we've shot for about 38 odd days underwater and about close to 60 odd days overwater. So that itself was a chunk of 100 days to 80 to 100 days. So it is phenomenal action you probably haven't seen before. And the kind of water interactions, the kind of CGIs we've blended into those action sequences are phenomenal. So Devra is very high on action, and I would just can't wait for the world to see it.
I'm sure, sir, we're going to love it. Ek baar zordar taliyan for this amazing team, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we have a set of these questions that I've got from our friends from the media. So I'm going to be asking those questions, sir, on their behalf. And to know, the first Telugu film that you presented was Bahubali. It was a smashed, super duper hit. It was a blockbuster in the Hindi belt. What are your expectations from Devara Part 1?
I was, of course, as I said, that, I was absolutely honored even then, to present S.S. Rajamouli sir's vision. And, kind of that began a massive journey, for Indian cinema. I think Bahubali will always be the very first pillar, that kind of held pan-India cinema together. Will always be a reference for so much. I have mega expectations of Devara. And for various reasons. The fact that this is, as Tarak himself said, his solo release after so many years. His fans have been waiting for this to happen. The fact that Saif and Janvi are part of this film, making it a true blue pan-India experience. The fact that Siva sir's vision, as a filmmaker is so exceptional. I don't want to put a number because that would dilute and demean what Devara means to all of us as a cinematic experience. But rest assured, it's going to be a celebration on the 27th of September.
Absolutely, sir. Fingers crossed. Of course, the celebration has already begun. As I said, in North America, we're doing so well already, even before the trailer. Of course, it is.
That itself is an indication, right? Because that's the first place where the advances have really opened. And the fact that there is this just organically crazy like madness, that is an indication of the advances as well as the opening for the film across the nation as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Karan sir, for sharing that. Of course, Siva sir, this one's for you. Simran Sethi from ANI would want to know that what was your vision like before you started Devara? And did it alter a little while the movie was being made, or is it the same?
See, as I keep on saying that this is the most ambitious film ever made from my side, not in terms of scale, but in the idea itself. Because the idea of the protagonist being the fear is very exciting to me. And it remained the same throughout. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Saif sir, this one's for you. Bharti ma'am, Bharti Dubey ji would want to know, how do you look at this trend of cross-pollination of stars from north and south?
I think it's great, obviously, I mean, it'll be so, we've gotten used to an idea where, there's Bollywood and there's movies made in the north and there's movies in the south. And there's so many different movie industries in India. And the idea to have one film that can bring, actors from different states like that together to create something that's truly pan-Indian is becoming the new standard today.
Right.
Films have done it, and I'm sure films will continue to do it. I'm just really lucky that I managed to speak a bit of Telugu properly, because it seems to be the language also of the future, and to learn a couple more languages, and everyone needs to broaden their horizons, get out of their comfort zones as actors. And I mean, for me, it was a great, great honor to be part of this, and I'm sure it's going to be the future for a lot of people, so it's great.
Again, he said it, ladies and gentlemen, Saif Ali Khan Sahib. Ek baar zordar taliyan. Of course, moving on to the man of masses. Congratulations for your action-packed performance in Devara Part 1. Can you give us a sneak peek into any particular intense fight sequence or say a stunt that you're really excited for?
Well, Amarji, right? Amar, do we have here? Do we have Amarji here? Okay. So, hi, great. So I can't point out on one such particular action sequence, or I definitely would not point out on one stunt or a sequence. But I'm sure Anil sir, Apurva sir, and Karan sir will agree with me. I think the last half an hour or 40 minutes of Devara is going to rock you all. So I can't wait. I just can't wait for people to watch that. The visual what my director Shiva had in his mind, and I just can't wait for the world to see it. that's.
And you're riding that giant fish. Talk to us about
shark.
that.
That was a shark.
The shark.
Yes.
So how was it like?
No, I mean, like, you should tell me, how was that? How did it look?
We loved it. I mean, loved
Well,
that scene.
well, I didn't. I hated shooting for it. I mean, that was one of the sequences which really took a lot of time.
Giving us masala.
Oh, seriously. I was in a 200 by 150 tank, which was about 5.5 feet. And that shot literally took like almost a full day to get it right. So there's
But
there's
it
a
is
lot of
marvelous. Whatever we saw there, it is like amazing. Give it up for NTR Jr., ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, that's all with the questions from our friends from the media, but I have a question for you. Of course, you are this ace filmmaker, the creative genius. What is it that, that that appeals to you when you watch a trailer? Because we do this day in, day out. But I can see that twinkle in your eye today. It's something special. What is it that appeals to you the most when we release a trailer like this, whether you are a part of that film or not, as a cine lover?
As you just said, as a cine lover, as a cine goer, for me, I've grown up watching films in single screens. Like when I was 4 years old is when I went and watched a film in a single screen with my parents, and then that began my journey with watching massive cinema in cinema halls. So to me, every time I see a tentpole film, a cinema spectacle, it just makes my heart happy. Because this is what we're here for, right? Absolutely. We're here. What else we here for, as Kapil Dev says? We really want to just watch the magic of celluloid, just the magic of big mainstream cinema. So when I see a trailer like the Devara trailer, it just explodes. Like whether I'm associated with the film or not is really immaterial. I, as a cine goer, as an audience, as a fan, when I watch massive entertainment, that's all I'm here for. That's all I want. That's all I live for, literally.
Absolutely. Tarak bhai, this one last question for you. What do you have to say to all your fans now when I'm sure they must have seen the trailer? Ab kya bolna hai? Ek aakhri cheez.
I always want to thank them for all the love and all the support they've given me over the years of being an actor. And I don't know. I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot I need to thank them for. But I would just this humble thanks. Thank you for being there with me.
Saif sir, closing remarks, I would say. What do you have to say to all the fans out there who were eagerly waiting for the trailer and now it's out?
I think it's an amazing trailer. The background music, the visuals. I have to say, Randy, sir, our DOP, has shot this film outstandingly. The cast has been fab. Of course, Tarak Sashivasa's vision. I think it's really exciting. And like Karan said, like a big movie coming out that you should watch in the theaters with all these beautiful colors and this amazing sound. I'm very excited.
As Saif sir just talked about the BGM and the dialogue, so that is something that was, out there. The dialogues and the BGM complementing each other. Talk to us about that quickly, sir, please.
Right from the beginning, we thought of Anirudh as a music director because, he's the master of sound and he knows how to blend the music into the story well. And happy that he gave this output. Yeah.
And it's going with the dialogues. Tarak sir, one last thing. Talk to us about Shiva sir. Is he always this
Have you seen him answer your questions? It's always.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like that long.
I was afraid
So Shiva is a master in especially when in dialogues. If your dialogue needs to be so much for you to let's say a kilometer, for you to express your angst or whatever it is, to express something. Shiva's dialogues are just 200 meters.
Right.
They're just 200 meters. So, and I don't know how he does it. He's extremely talented. I mean, I told you, I've been his friend for a very long time. We've been friends for a very long time. He just delivers the same expression in 200 meters. So it's very few words, but the expression is so deep.
Precise and to the point, right? To the point. 27th September is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters. Let's just come to that point. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a final photo op, and I'd like to invite on stage some really cool people. Ji. मैं कर लूं पहले आते हैं ना would like to invite on stage our very very favorite people, of course, as I said, बड़े इन लोगों ने बड़ा काम किया है for the Indian film industry. Apurva Mehta Saab, the CEO Dharma, say give it up for him. And of course, he's presented it, he's distributed it. AA Films say Anil Thadani Saab, ladies and gentlemen. Anil sir, I know. You always say no for this, and I always say that I have a question for you. Anil. एक सेकंड आ रहा हूँ. Can we check the mics? All right. Anil sir, nahi, sir, quickly, you know, if you have to, as I said, the trio has worked wonders for the Indian film industry. Bahubali se ab tak. And of course, AA Films has been there. वो logo आता है, बहुत मायने रखती है बात. So please talk to us about Devara Part 1 and being a part of this collaboration one more time.
Just like to thank Tarak for showing and Shiva sir for showing so much confidence in Karan, Apurva and me. We've come back again to present this film after Bahubali and hope it just repeats the same kind of magic.
Apurva sir, what would you like to share with us, please? Again, I'll have.
So, you know, we've always been huge fans of Tarak's work, be it in RRR or Temper or Janta Garage. So really, thank you for giving us this opportunity. We were, like he rightly said, blown away when we saw the visuals, and I think everyone can understand what we are feeling once you see the trailer. So thank you for trusting us, Tarak and Siva sir, with your film, and we are so excited. Thank you.
Karan sir, one more time, thank you so much for getting this to this part of the country. And of course, the movie releases on the 27th September, ladies and gentlemen, worldwide. And in the meantime, of course, yeah, it's time to go click, click, click. It's time for a final photo op. Ji.